This is Carol, coming to you from the Prairie kitchen. I heard there was a survey and that the thing you remembered about Prairie School was the food. And what food? The cinnamon rolls. So what I'm gonna try today is to attempt, after 5 years, to make you some cinnamon rolls. Okay, I'm gonna start with 2 cups of hot water. Now when I made them for school lunch, I would use 2 3/4 gallons of water to start with. So into that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yeast. And we're going to mix that up and help that to dissolve. I'm going to go over here and add our other ingredient that we start with. Okay, so I need a 1/2 cup of sugar. I need 1.5 teaspoons. I think the original recipe calls for 1.5 cups. 2 tablespoons of dry milk. And that's because we used to get dry milk from the government and it was a way to use it up. 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let's try this. We're going to mix this up a little bit. And we're going to come back to our yeast mixture. Make sure it's all dissolved. Beautiful. Now I'm adding flour. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take a bowl and kind of grease it a little bit. And there's our dough. I'm just going to cover it with a piece of saran wrap. And now, like most yeast recipes, it has to stand for between 20 and 30 minutes till it kind of doubles in size. I'm putting some melted, well not really melted, but soft butter on there so that it doesn't stick. And I want to put some on my rolling pin so it don't stick. Now I'm going to take about half of this dough. Stretch, shake, pull. Okay. Roll. Now, smear it up. And don't be afraid to slabber it up because it's going to make it good. Yes, most of you remember Mr. Druick. When he smelled the cinnamon rolls, he'd come in the kitchen and he'd say, "Oh, it's ham and ravioli." We always served ham and ravioli because that was something that I didn't have to make on a menu because I was busy doing something else. Okay, do not be afraid to get that cinnamon and sugar on there. So this is all this is this mixture of cinnamon and sugar. Okay, start, roll up. 12 to 15 minutes. I'll time them at 12. You can always add, but if you burn it, Okay, so here we have our cinnamon rolls cooled. Now we have to ice them. Well, I think I did it by hand and I think it's okay. Now, drool bit of voila! That was how we made our cinnamon rolls. Eat your heart out.